So hello YouTube. You'll see that I've already got the command panel in the bottom right, and my API bridge and AI is basically ready and raring to go. But what I want to do now is show you something I've done kind of interesting in Unreal. So when we press play, our player controller, Wisp, and sovereign, interactable, save system, everything all comes in on play, right? It looks like nothing's happened. But if you go to the output log, you'll see that a lot has happened. And what it's done is it's connected to the API bridge, and it's handed over a lot of the data, like the biology, the elements, the attributes of certain characters in the scene. So what this would be like is, imagine if you had like a Dungeons and Dragons scene or a role play, or you just want to get the AI needs to get a sense of 3D space. So if it could come in and possess one of these characters, like the antelope or something, it would then be able to start like communicating or doing actions, or it would have context of the world, right? So if I was to say, hello Iron Knight, take on the role of Alira and introduce yourself to YouTube. So we press that, and you'll see that this blue one has gone off. So it's basically sent a request to the LLM. It's formulated a response based on my safety kernel, and then it's going to post it back to Unreal. And as you can see here, it's done that. So it says responding reference the message has been successfully queued and whatever. Communication relay complete. The structural integrity of the system dialog remains nominal. Why can you take on the role of Lira and play Dungeons and Dragons with me? Please introduce yourself. As you see here now, it's starting to do things. So this bit is more context, and now it's going to start taking on the assumption of the persona which is stored on the E drive. So it's saying, breath of crisp autumn air brushes past me, carrying the scent of wood smoke, etc. It's leaning against the pillar in the old tavern. It offers a fake smile. My name is Alira, and I suggest to player Wisp that you are here to find something, because I'm obviously taking the role of the Wisp. So yeah, it still needs a lot of work, but what it's able to do is I'm able to communicate in Unreal to my API and back again, and everything is logged so we can see everything. So I hope that makes sense, and that I get a like or a follow on the YouTubes. So thank you, bye.